People often ask if yoga can help them lose weight. And now if you're setting off into a new activity for weight loss, I would recommend first speaking with your healthcare provider, seeing if that is a safe and effective thing for you to do. And now if you get into a yoga practice and it happens to make you lose weight, that's probably because of a few factors that are really all about yoga's effect on our general health and well-being. The first of those being that yoga teaches us how to breathe. I know we breathe in and out all day long, but most people tend to breathe in more than they breathe out. And this is actually a very low level of hyperventilation that puts the body and mind into the fight or flight stress response. When the body's in that fight or flight response, it clings to what it has. It literally clings to fat cells. And so if you're looking to lose weight, begin first by breathing out longer than you breathe in. This is where it becomes important to speak with your doctor because different forms of breathing really affect us at profound levels. Yoga gives us this opportunity to bring our breath into a more balanced state. And in that balanced way that we breathe, the body then enters the relaxation response of the parasympathetic nervous system. And when we're relaxed, the body can relax. The body doesn't have to cling so much with tension to the fat cells that it's holding. Another remarkable way that yoga can contribute to a healthy weight loss program is by increasing circulation. And so if swelling is predominant in your body, just know that the movements of yoga will help to reduce that swelling. The more circulation there is in the body, the more quickly changes can take place. Another element of this is that yoga improves our digestion. And so if part of the issue for you is holding on to extra toxins, just know that yoga is going to help the body go about its natural detoxification processes that can also help to shed extra weight. On another note, yoga is great for our physical abilities. We can enjoy greater range of motion, more muscular tone, and this helps us be more active in life in general. You may find that over continued yoga practice, your lifestyle changes in a way that supports weight loss. Along with those changes in your lifestyle that promote more activity and less weight gain, you may also find that your mood changes and that your mental and emotional well-being is such that there's not so much of a need for emotional eating, if that's a part of your story. You may also find with continued yoga practice that your mind and emotions regarding food change. If stress eating or emotional eating is a part of your weight gain, just know that yoga can help to stabilize our mood, balance our state of mind, and even help us to form a more healthy relationship with food. On top of that, yoga can provide us with a new sense of appreciation for and acceptance of the bodies that we're in. Yoga shows us how resilient and incredible our bodies are. And so you might just come away from the yoga mat feeling extra good about yourself, how you are in that very moment.